Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the file. Open the photo in a metadata viewer or your operating system's properties so you can see GPS coordinates and related tags. Once you identify GPS fields, make a duplicate to preserve the original in case you need it later. You're doing this so you can target only location tags and avoid altering image pixels. Keep the copy labeled with a date to track versions. Now move to a tool that can edit or strip EXIF data. Next, use a reliable EXIF editor or a command line tool like EXIFtool to remove GPS-specific tags. For example, run a command to delete GPS latitude, GPS longitude, GPS altitude, and GPS date stamp. This deletes embedded coordinates without re-encoding the image. Once done, check for related fields such as GPS processing method or embedded thumbnails that might still contain location data. Make sure to save as a new file name. To finish, reopen the file in your metadata viewer and confirm GPS fields are blank. If they are, you're done and safe to share. If location tags persist, export a flattened copy by resaving the image in an editor as a new JPEG or PNG, which strips metadata by default in many apps. Make sure to change camera or app settings to stop embedding GPS in future shots. Troubleshooting tip: if tags reappear, check synced cloud backups that may reapply original metadata.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.